Good morning, everybody. Today, Tiger Lily would like to talk to you about flat Earth theory. Now, Tiger Lily needs to get down so I can talk about flat Earth theory. Tiger Lily. No, you can't have what's on the stove, baby. Okay. Well, you have fun, Tiger Lily? Are you going to pounce on my chair as soon as I start trying to record this? Huh? Okay, good. Cheer yourself. That's good. Today, we're going to be talking about lensing effects. And here we have kind of a series of lensing effects. And we have different ways that explain how the sun looks in the sky to us right now. Okay? Now, to me, this doesn't make sense. Okay? Having a gigantic sun with basically light source wider than our planet should be covering more than 180 degrees of the planet with light. Okay? But we're supposed to believe this thin-ass atmosphere narrows it into a fucking relative dot. Okay? So you have four types of lensing effects. Widening, narrowing, focal, which means this is how cameras work. Cameras have a series of lenses that move inside. Telescopes, same way. Well, refracting telescopes, not reflecting telescopes. And like a magnifying glass, okay? A pre-focused ellipse, okay? If you move beyond that focal point, the image that you see is turned upside down, okay? What we are told that we have is a narrowing focus, okay? And that's what makes this big sun appear, supposedly, as this tiny, tiny, tiny little dot in the sky. And see, we're just a little tiny, 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 tiny dot. And see, as much of the paper as I just used here, this scale is still horribly insignificant. But also, that being said, now Tiger Lily is attacking me while I'm trying to... Okay. That being said, Tiger Lily still attacks me. Yeah. That being said, I don't even know what I just said. But whatever I just said, being said, fucking the angle isn't this extreme, okay? But nonetheless, no matter how far away, this gigantic sun should be covering, because it is bigger, no matter what, more than 180 degrees as a light source, okay? See? Giant fucking sun. Alright? Now here's the problem with the whole lensing effect thing. Not only is it highly inadequate, no matter what distance you plug in, okay? But we're not down here below a lens. We're in here wondering what the fuck. Okay? Now, on the flat Earth model, this is quite simple. See, here you have the North Pole and the infinite plane. Alright? You have the moon with ashes all over it. Just like the real moon with, You see ashes all over the moon, don't you? And you have the sun. And there they are, just like everybody sees them all the time, every day. Okay? So you have this, which is supposed to work like this. Or you can stop wondering what the fuck and just realize this. Because that's all there is. Stop believing that Star Trek is real. I love Star Trek. But dude, gotta let it go, man. You just gotta let it go. Like, subscribe. Y'all take it easy, but don't take it all.